Good morning. I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. I believe waking up early gives me a fresh and peaceful start. As soon as I wake up, I avoid using my phone. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It helps to hydrate my body after a long sleep. It also improves digestion and makes me feel fresh. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face and get ready for the day. Then I do some light exercise or stretching for about 15 to 20 minutes. It keeps my body active and healthy.
I take a shower and get dressed.
Ready for the day? Then I help my family with small work like cleaning or making breakfast.
That's very sweet of you, dear.
I like helping.
We appreciate it. I always try to eat healthy food. My breakfast usually includes fruits, eggs, or bread.
That looks wonderful, dear.
A healthy breakfast gives me the energy to start my day.
Me too.
After breakfast, I plan my day. I check my tasks and set my goals. This helps me stay organized and focused. Then I get ready for my work or studies and prepare everything I need. I always try to start my day with a positive mindset. After that, I start my work or studies. First, I check my tasks. Then I start working step by step. I try to stay focused, but sometimes I take short breaks. It helps me feel fresh. During my day, I also use my phone for some time, but I try not to waste too much time on it, I try not to use my phone too much. After that, I get back to my work. I try to focus and finish my tasks one by one. In the afternoon, I have my lunch. I eat simple and healthy food. This is delicious. After lunch, I feel a little sleepy, so I take some rest. Sometimes I scroll my phone or watch videos. Sometimes I listen to music. For example, I like listening to BTS songs. They are very energetic and fun. I just love dancing to them!
Do you listen to BTS songs or watch their videos?
Who is your favorite singer? Tell me in the comments. Then I get back to my work. I continue my work or studies. I try to finish my remaining tasks. Sometimes I feel tired, but I still try to complete my work. I remind myself to stay focused. In the evening, I like to go outside for a walk. Fresh air makes me feel relaxed. Sometimes I spend time with my family or talk to my friends. This time makes me feel happy.
Me too.
It makes us all happy.
At night, I have dinner with my family.
This is delicious. It really is.
My favorite!
I'm so glad we're all together.
And it's our favorite part of the day.
Mine so sweet.
Before going to bed, I think about my day. Sometimes I feel happy about what I did. Sometimes I feel I can improve. Then I plan for the next day.
What is your daily routine? Tell me in the comment.
Finally, I go to bed around 10 or 11 p.m.